Calibration Control has a new feature that automatically creates calibration certificates in PDF format, saved in a folder structure organized by site, year of calibration, and month of calibration. To make this feature work properly, the equipment record must be assigned to a site. The site must have an ID, and the calibration record must be approved. There are two program options related to this feature. The first is found in the Calibration Options dialog, and when ticked, Calibration Control will automatically create the PDF certificates in the Site Certificate folder structure. The option is Create Certificate in Site folder when certificate approved. The second option is found in the Folder and Path Options dialog. It is a new path for location of site certificates. If the path is changed to a location within a file sharing folder structure, such as Dropbox, then all the PDF certificates created will automatically be uploaded to the file sharing service. At this point, you would be able to create read-only shares at the company level folders, so whomever you shared that folder with would have access to all certificates placed in that folder. Let's approve a calibration record and see what happens. I can approve a calibration record by going to the Standards and Miscellaneous tab and ticking the Check to Approve and Lock. With this new feature, three things now happen. The PDF certificate is saved in the Site Certificate folder structure. An attachment record is created for the new PDF file, and that attachment is linked to the calibration record from which it was created. A status change note is created and linked to the same calibration record, noting that the calibration event was approved. Also, if an event is unapproved and unlocked, and then reapproved and locked again, the same three things happen, resulting in an additional PDF certificate. This feature is useful when a mistake is made on the first certificate that must be corrected, but the first certificate is still required for reference. To navigate quickly to a site certificate folder for a given company, open that company record and click on the Open Site Cert Folder button at the bottom of the dialog. Note the folder structure includes year of calibration and subfolders for months, and in this case, that's November. There is also a second button for creating PDF certificates for all the calibrations of a given company. If we press that button now, no certificates would be created since there are no other approved calibration records. This feature does not create additional certificates if those certificates already exist in the attachment records of the software. To test this feature, we need to return to the Calibrations dialog and untick the Create Certificate in Site folder, so we can approve calibration records without creating the additional certificates. Let's approve 5 certificates from the calibration grid. Note that in this grid, there's an additional column that indicates the approved date of the calibration event, so we can avoid those. Now that we have 5 additional calibration events approved, let's open the company dialog and click the Create All Sites Cert button. Note that it's telling us that 5 PDF files will be created, which is exactly what we anticipated. After the PDF files are created, the Site Certificate folder for this company opens and we can navigate through each of the years and months of PDF certificates.